Hi guys, Tech James here. For this tutorial I'll be showing you guys how to install custom lenses on Snapchat. So all of the links are in the description. The first link I'm going to go to is just this popular meme, you guys probably know it. So I'm just going to be installing this one first and just showing you guys how it works. So this works for both iPhone and Android, and this works on any firmware. So it looks really cool. It's sort of like a 3D model. You can troll your friends with it, put it on your story. So if you guys want to get more of these lenses, there's a Reddit page called Snap Lenses, and you can download lots of them on there. They're all custom made and you can request them as well. So I'm just going to install this one here. That's it for this video guys, thanks for watching, please like and subscribe and I'll see you guys in the next one.